By that boy Rooster over there rolling up the celebration blunt, you know what I mean? After we just finished working on 3 significant tattoos of that boy G.
Bam, right there.
As we do it, check it out. Look at this shit. That shit looks kind of thorough. What is that? Michael Myers.
That's so zombie bringing the bitch down. That's the pimping mode we do. You know what I mean? We grab bitches, put them on the ground.
That's gorilla pimping right there. Yeah. That means, you know what I'm saying, we don't fuck around. We choke your ass if you don't play right.
That's it. They got the snake.
And, you know what I'm saying? That nigga, sometimes he might have to slither through the grass or slither through your ass.
Just one of the two.
You know what I mean? Sometimes there's a snake going through this nigga's body. You know what I mean? And sometimes you got the little demon on the nigga back. You know, everybody got the monkey on the back.
Yeah, right there.
That nigga got the demon on the back. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's looking kind of, you know, purpley reddish.
It's that boy tattoos
over here.
You might as well get it done right here. No reason to go anywhere else, man. No reason.
Hey, and if you don't get it done here, you can always holler at your boy on the phone. And you got my number because it's posted everywhere I go. And if you ain't got it, somebody you know got it. And if somebody you don't know got it, they know somebody who got it. You know what I mean? So holler at your boy. We're going to do it B.I.G. over here in the tattoo spot. Holla at your boy K to the PG.
To the PG.
Over there. That's that boy. Hey, for all y'all that don't know, that's that boy on that Just Can't Hide song with me, you know what I mean? Just can't go sing a little piece of Just Can't Hide.
Just can't hide.
Rooster over there rolling the celebratory blunt, you know what I mean?
The good stuff.
The good stuff. Yeah, he's ready. That nigga say he's going Muslim. That boy about to grow Muslim.
Shit, no.
Yeah.
Coming out, laying it out.
Laying it out, you know what I mean? Take a last peep of the old Dubs shop because this might be the last time that you see it. You know, as you can see in this corner, you know, I have already put my stuff together because I'm gonna be going mobile. You know what I mean? We're going multinational, so I might not be, you know, able to be in the same place at the same time that you are whenever you need me to be. But my nigga K to the PG called me good. Look at him. Look at that nigga looking fly.
He'll come wherever you're at. You might have to throw extra 20 for gas, but that's the price of doing
business. Hey, but that's just the price of doing it. You know what I mean? But I'm gonna come prepared. Look, I'm gonna come with the goddamn lay down massage table. I know I burnt it because I was trying to iron my clothes on it one day. I burnt that bitch. I burnt my shirt, but you know, I'm gonna come with the copy machine, you know, whatever size, we're gonna size it up. I'm gonna get professionalized. You see, as I keep my equipment ready to go, it's kind of trashy right now, because you know, I'm a trashy nigga sometimes. But at the same time, if you wanna be cool like me, stay in front of the fan. Peace, bitch.